How to use NordVPN on Samsung Smart TV. So first, can I use a VPN on Samsung TV? Samsung TVs run on Tizen OS, which does not natively support VPN apps. However, instead of using a direct app, you can set up a VPN connection on your TV through alternative methods. So, getting set up with a VPN is definitely worthwhile because it can improve your privacy and security by protecting your TV and other devices connected to the internet from potential cyber threats. So, a few ways for you to get a VPN on your Samsung Smart TV is first is to set up a VPN via router. Check if your router supports VPNs, log into your router's admin panel, find the VPN settings, enter the VPN credentials, connect and apply changes, and check the VPN connection. Second is to set up a VPN via an Ethernet cable. Connect your PC to the internet via Wi-Fi, adjust your computer settings, identify the correct adapters, enable connection sharing, and connect your Samsung Smart TV via Ethernet. And that is how you can easily use NordVPN on Samsung Smart TV.